morning, everyone. Today we will learn subject logic and reasoning. And in logic and reasoning, we are going to learn about birds. So, have you seen birds, colorful birds, different types of birds? And what have you noticed in birds that we will discuss? Next. Birds fly in the sky. Birds have feathers, wings, and two legs. Most birds can fly using their wings. So now we'll come to know about parrot. First picture is of parrot. So what is the color of parrot? Green. What is the color of beak? Red. So I'm going to speak the spelling of parrot. You repeat with me. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Next. What is the color of crow? Black. And you can see crow everywhere. So the spelling of crow is C-R-O-W. Next is peacock. Peacock is our national bird also, and it has beautiful feathers and it dances in the rainy season especially. So the spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Next, eagle. What is the color of eagle? Black and white, and its beak is in yellow color. So the spelling is E-A-G-L-E, and it flies very, very high. Next, pigeon. Pigeon is in gray color, and you can see pigeon everywhere. So the spelling of pigeon is P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Next is owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-N, and it cannot see in daytime. It only sees in night time. Next, duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck, and it can swim in water. Tailor bird. The spelling of tailor bird is T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor bird, B-I-R-D, bird, and it can chew leaves also, as you can see in the picture. Next is ostrich. Ostrich is a very huge bird and it cannot fly. It has long legs and long neck. Spelling is O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Next is, so now I'm going to tell you about what can they do for us. The pigeon can be trained to carry messages. Next, eagle. Eagle is a good hunter and it has sharp eyesight. Next, crow. Crow eats dirt. Next, peacock is our national bird. Very good. Next, ostrich is the largest bird that cannot fly. So now we will revise question answers. So number one is, name the largest bird that cannot fly. Ostrich. Number two, which is our national bird? Answer is peacock. Question number three, name a bird that eats dirt. Answer is crow. Question number four, name a bird that is a good hunter and has sharp eyesight. Answer is eagle. Question number five is, name a bird that can chew leaves. Tailor bird. Number six, name a bird that can be trained to carry messages? Answer is pigeon. Now we are going to tell you about tomorrow's activity. What things you have to arrange, I will tell you. So tomorrow we have collage activity and we will make umbrella. So ask your mama to draw umbrella like this and draw clouds like this on a white sheet. Okay, then you have to crush some colorful papers with you. And when we will have class, that time only we will complete this picture with the help of Fevicol. You have to paste Fevicols and then you have to stick colorful papers. And in the clouds, you will paste cotton. So that is all for today. And these are the requirements for tomorrow's activity. Okay, bye-bye, take care, good day.